Hello, this is Abhishek Ranjan. Welcome to my video session. So in this session I am going to talk about web application using ASP.NET. So my question was to create a placement detail using a web application of a placement detail using ASP.NET. So first I will run the code and so how the my website is working, then I will come to the coding part. So for running this ASP.NET we need a Google Chrome or any other web browser so that this package can run over there smoothly. So this is the first page, the login part. So just give login here, and then it will redirect us to the second part where our details of the placement detail is there. So you can see the placement details are here. So now I'm trying to give some value, so I'm just inserting some value. And inserting, so a message box comes and you can see dynamically it has been updated here. So now if I want to update some details there, so you can see the details has been, the name has been changed from Abhishek Ranjan to Abhi. Now if I want to delete this cell CS005, so I just give the registration number, and after that you can see the detail has been removed from it. And this is my master page layout. So now I want to go back to my home page, so I will just click right, it took me to the home page. And if I want to go to, if I'm not created the account, so I want to register, so I just click here register, it will take to me the registration page. And this registration link is also the same, this is opening in new tab because the target is given as a underscore blank. So every time we click, it will open in a new tab. So now the details, if let's see, if I want to register some of my name, then if I don't put here anything first of all, then it is giving the field should not be empty. So I'm just giving ABHI, then password I given 456, and here I want to 3, and if I click the button, so it is say the field should be same. Field, if I click 5, 6, 7, then so you can see no error is there. So this is how my website is working. So now let's come to the coding part. So for this we have to create first web page, and then we will create a so we can just go here and just take the option of adding a new page here, new item. So we can use web form for the simple layout pages, and if you want to give some a proper master page layout, then we will go with the web form with master page. So this is what we have used, and here are some of the toolboxes which I have used for creating this website. And there are many options like web buttons, labels, text box. For the data grid I have used here grid view, and the for validation part inside the validation there is a predefined functions are there, so we can just use that. For the navigation I am using a tree view. You can use a side path view or a pointer view like that. So there are many options for us to explore in this part. And my database is, you can see here is my database. So if I execute it, so this is the same database I've used in for the previous, so I have not shown how to create it. So you can see all the details, whatever I have done there is been executed here properly. So the CS005 at that time I have inserted and then updated and then deleted, so the value has been affected here also. So that's all in this video session. Thank you.